Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Mi Temporal 5G, and I'll show you that the device comes with the wireless headphones inside the box by default. So now I'll just open the box for the first, and as can you see here, we got only the charging brick, the USB cable, and the 3 and 5 millimeter headphones adapter. And unfortunately here we have no by default completed the wireless headphones on this box. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.